Hey guys, today we are going to be working on our 2013 Jeep JK. Hooke Road reached out to us and asked if we wanted to try out their bumper, so we checked them out. Seemed like a pretty good company, so we asked them to send out the bumper, and it looks pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and install it today. Okay, for those of you following along at home, here is that plate, and there's the bolts that come through from the back, and then you can see the nut plate is tied in from the other side. So you just bolt all this together, and then that's just come in from here, or the bolts just come in from here and slide to the back, and then that gives you the strength that you need for this to be able to tow. So it worked out really great. It's actually really easy to install. Okay, the bumper did come with D-rings that go in here. Actually, some pretty nice black D-rings with some blue covers in them. But we have red ones on the front of this Jeep, and I didn't want blue ones on the back and red on the front. So I gave the red ones to my daughter, and she put them on her Jeep ZJ. And she put them on her Jeep ZJ. So, but if you buy the bumper, then you do get those included. Okay, the bumper comes with these backup lights. They're already all installed on the bumper and everything. I didn't have to do anything except wire them up. So this Jeep has a switch center on it up here. So I just wired them up into the backup lights, and all you do have to do is click that, and boom, bright lights. So we've tested them out, and they actually work incredibly well. We've got the hardtop tinted pretty dark, and I don't think we're gonna have problems seeing out of the back anymore. All right, we got it all installed. Now we gotta test it. We live in Colorado, so let's take it up to the Rockies. All right, guys, we're back. The bumper did fantastic. I am incredibly impressed. It was very easy to install. It looks great. It's nice and solid. It's really well done. I think, we did the custom front bumper for my daughter's ZJ. You can check that out here. Honestly, I think we spent as much in steel on that bumper as this whole bumper costs, including not only being all assembled, but already being coated and coming with the lights. For crying out loud. So this bumper is great. Again, this was given to us by Hooke Road so that we would do the review on it. I would try to always be real upfront with you guys on that. But honestly, I would absolutely have paid money for this if I'd have known how good a bumper it was. So if you're looking for a really good bumper for a really good price, at the time of this shooting, it's like 400 bucks. So check them out, link in the description, and it's a great bumper. You can't go wrong. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace.
Obsession.